Don't need to pass this one so much. You can just you need just take the heel a bit out. Do not overpass it. Yeah. Good. Bueno. Good. Vale. It's okay. Lean a bit in. Yeah. Good choice. Good. Wait. Good. That's okay. A bit more before it gets too high. That's okay. Do not wait for the ball to get too high. That. Easy. Much easier. Yeah. Make it easy because I'm gonna move you a bit. I'm gonna get you a bit more to move. Hits. I'm gonna move you a bit. So just keep the ball low tempo. Because you're gonna have to do more steps. You're gonna have to do more steps. Sorry. I got it. You're gonna have to do more steps. Then do not miss. Keep it easy. Keep doing steps. Yes, keep it easy. Keep it easy. Keep doing steps. Easy. Nice. Good hand. Glass. Keep it easy. Glass. Footwork easy. Aha. Continue. It's okay. Continue. Footwork easy. Glass. Easy. Footwork. Glass. Easy. Glass. Very easy. Almost too much. On the backhand, I like the preparation. On the forehand, be careful because sometimes you're lifting too much. Remember that the right contact, yeah. So a bit more between the hip and the knee. Okay. You're hitting the ball quite well. Just that it's too high. Try to. But actually, the beginning of today is much better than the last time with the forehand. So you're putting more balls in.
I didn't play yesterday, and then I know I have to be here early to get in the forehand.
Yeah, as you told me the last time. Yeah. You start knowing yourself. Yeah. But now just make sure that the preparation more there. Look, more on the same line instead this up and down. Then you lift it too much under. Slow down the feet. Yeah, in that one you are making a mistake with the footwork because you are saving a ball from the back glass, let's say. And this is fine, and then you're doing this. And then you're getting into. Remember when you have someone on the net, especially you're coming back to my volley, you should not go into because you're getting into my shot position. So you should, same as you did, boom, and just wait again. Okay, just two things now: the preparation more here, and do not come into the ball when it's glass. Better. Take it. Easy. Stay on the same line. Good. Easy. Wait. Yep. Under. Extra under. Hook on. Now come in because I brought you in. Steps. Take your time. Good. Steps. Almost. Same. Good. Back. Double glass. Yeah, also in that one you can go to the side glass. Boom, boom. So you have two options. Try again. In case that you're really, yes, in case that you get completely out of position, boom, double glass. Again on the forehand, low preparation. You're making it too big, you're making it too big. Don't make it so big, more compact. Vent, 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 vent. Stay low, stay low, stay low, stay low. Good that you're not moving forward anymore. Step in. Take your time. Step in. Step in. Do not miss. Pass it over. What are you gonna do? Almost. That's the same one as before. You go. Stay low. Stay low. Little higher, that's okay. Take it, take it, take it, take it, take it. Take your time. Take your time, wait. Don't speed up, don't speed up. And around, 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 around. And there, take it, take it, take it. Good shot. Good work. Do not miss. You're gonna do again. Nice. Easy. Sit up, sit up. Sit up. Sit up. Yes, good. Good. Move to this side now. Same. Good. So same. The biggest focus right now is the forehand, not so big. And when you're, if you're, yeah, not so big the preparation. Keep it here. Keep it here as much as possible. You'll manage the timing very well. Just make sure that you don't move in. If you're, yeah, no. Yeah. So you have to. If you lift it, then it's fine. If you lift, and you see me doing this, going quick. In. Oh, almost. Could be in a bit early. There you go, there you go. Same ball, same ball. Yeah, that's good because it's not going all the way back. Easy. Good. Manage the time. Easy, manage the time. It's too high. Calibrate the line. Calibrate the line. Almost. Make sure that you want me here. Here just a bit more danger. A bit more follow now on the shoulder. Yes. Manage the line, manage the line. Better. Watch out, the line. Good. Good line. No, do not overlift it. That's a bit dangerous. Good. Slow down. Slow down. Nice. Come in, come in. Nice. Take your time, take your time, take your time, take your time. The other side. Cover the position. Cover the position. Good. That's okay. So the side to side over there, cover it well now. The side to side. You gotta be so solid in the back that I'm gonna have to bring you forward. That means that you're covering well. Nice ball. Under, around. Watch out. Come in. That's too big, the preparation, Hogan. That's too big. Yeah, because the ball is pretty low also. So more there than too high. Try again. Then it's better. Almost. And then much easier the touch. Yeah. Good idea. Back again. Careful with the over footwork after shooting the ball. Good. Good. Almost. The foot again. Same ball. Easy. Sit out. Yes. Difficult ball. Again. That's too high again. You did. I know you wanted to slice it, but then the hand is too high. So slice. There. Try again. There. Yeah. Too high. Good slice, but it's too high. More there. Under the line of the shoulder, at least. Better. Still more straight. Yes. Again. Compact. There. Better. So the biggest thing is this. On all the shots on the forehand. Easy. There you go. Forward. Too high. Easy, 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 easy. We repeat that one, so you move in with the pala more down. Better. Almost. Try again. Better. Take your time, take your time, take your time. There you go. There you go. Straight. Take your time, take your time. I got it. That's okay, I got it. Easy. See? Here you go. Straight. Better. Better the position. Back up, back up, back up. Come in. Position. Good. Take your time. Take your time. Racket ready or already open? Yeah. Open. Come in a bit. A bit more open. Racket open. And good. That side on the net.